So I'm gonna place everything down, just dump everything out. You know, I see people do that a lot. Ah, okay. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be another unboxing or unbagging for Nadine West. This is my 5th box, I think. I'm super excited. I want to go ahead and jump straight into the video. For those of you guys who don't know who or what Nadine West is, they are a styling company. They send you clothes based off of your style. Every month you pick the items that you like and you send back the items that you don't like. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is the package here from Nadine West. Oops, I don't want to show you guys my address. And they have a bunch of different items here. I have opened them already just because I was so super anxious to see what I had. On top of Mother's Day weekend, I wanted to, you know, pick out whatever I wanted for Mother's Day. So I'm gonna place everything down, just dump everything out. You know, I see people do that a lot. Ah, okay. The first piece is this super cute summer fun romper. All right, so this romper is really, really beautiful. It's adorable. This romper is great because of the pockets on there and the color is beautiful. So the next two I'm actually trying together. It's going to be the denim shirt and black pants. Looks like this. I really like this denim shirt. The denim shirt has a zipper on the side where you can, you know, zip it up and down. That zipper is actually a lifesaver because it's easy for you to slide on and slip off. And with the shoulders, absolutely love the shoulders. You can tie it where the knot is at the top of your shoulders, so it looks like you have more of a higher shoulder bone, or you can tie it directly on the back like I did. And so either way, I think would look really nice. It's your shirt, it's your style. You can just choose however you like to do it. And then the next item that I'm pairing it with are these black pants. These black pants are really nice. They are stretchy, fit great. There's no pockets on them. You know how I feel about pockets. I love things with pockets. So the next two items, I have this really cute floral top. So let me just say this. I told my stylist that I love floral, so that's why I have a lot of floral items. So this really cute floral top. I love the color as well. And I'm also pairing it with these shorts. These shorts are the butt wax jeans, so they basically make your butt pop. I really like to pair these two together, and I like the fact that my stylist was able to send me items that I could pair with each other. The next two items that I would like to pair, or the next two items that I am pairing that I received in my package, is this black shirt and black shorts. So the shirt is a really cute tight shirt with buttons down the front of the shirt. The buttons are brown. Looks like more or less like wooden, but it's really nice, really good material. It's the material is 96% polyester, so you know that just feels really nice and soft. And then the shorts, these shorts are pretty much shorts that you can lounge around in the house in. They fit really nice. They're really cool, really airy, something that you can actually sleep in if you want to. And I really like them. It has this lace here at the end, if you can see it, at the bottom of the shorts. So they're not something that you can wear out. I mean, some people might wear them out. Personally, I wouldn't. The body of it is 100% rayon and the trim is 100% polyester. So it's really stretchy. All right, so the next two items that I'm gonna show you guys are the jewelry pieces. I have been chosen to be the Nadine West cover girl for the month of May. So with that being said, being the cover girl, you get a free package. So this package wasn't my free package. However, next week I'll be showing you guys what I received from Nadine West at 100% free. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you can see it, and you're hitting that bell so you do not miss that upload, so you can see everything that I receive from them for free. If you want to know how you can receive a free package from Nadine West, be sure to catch that video and I'll tell you what I did to receive my whole package for free. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.